What's up, y'all? Last day of 2020. Happy New Year's. Welcome to vlog number, I guess, 30, because we did a vlog yesterday. But I'm about to season up some chicken so I can make them in the air fryer tonight, along with probably some lumpia, just a couple of little hors d'oeuvres for us to snack on. Try to stay up until the ball drops, you know.
The world is yours, let's go and explore. 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 You know it's time to party when we pull up. Party in a hotel or in a villa. Travel all over the world.
It's me again, and as usual, I'm making something to eat. It's 12:20. This is my first time eating today. I'm just gonna make me a turkey lettuce wrap, of course, with my favorite Olive Garden dressing. So I just got some lettuce, tomato, turkey, salt and pepper. So that's all I'm doing. What y'all up to on this New Year's Eve? I'm also addicted to this new YouTube channel. It sounds weird, but I think you guys would enjoy it. It's this guy. His name is Lamont at Large. So check him out on YouTube. And he travels the country. I think his day job requires him to travel the country for whatever reason. But he travels the country and he visits different graveyards. But he'll tell like the story of how the person passed away. But he also visits, a lot of famous people's graves as well. So like Nipsey Hussle, XXXTentacion, Marilyn Monroe, Hugh Hefner, who else? Ahmaud Arbery, Emmett Till. So it's actually really just interesting. So he also went to Mac Miller's. He went to the cemetery where supposedly Gianna and Kobe are buried, but of course their grave is unmarked. Mac Miller's grave is unmarked too, but he's pretty sure, and it looked like it was probably it. So definitely check him out, Lamont at Large. I have been binge watching his channel. Really cool dude. So yeah, but I'm about to just eat this wrap. So I'm not sure what the rest of the day is gonna hold. Dre's still at work. Avian's still asleep, of course, because he stays up all night. And I'm just gonna chill. Probably after I eat this, go try to clean up my room a little bit. So new year, new me. But that's it. What y'all up to today? I wish I had some avocado. I'm telling y'all gotta get this dressing. It's so good. Tell me that ain't better than the Jimmy John's. Hey y'all, so I was gonna take a shower and wash my hair, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and try to do these twists. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. I did one twist, but this hair is garbage. I done put the hair on the front porch, and I got Dre about to take it back to Amazon. I actually read the reviews on the hair after I purchased it, but I still tried it. They actually would have came out cute, but the hair is just trash. It's really, really like tangly, and it won't stay together at the end. So I'm just going to go to the beauty supply store. The brand was supposed to be Expressions, which I know is a good brand. After reading the reviews, people were saying it's not the real Expressions. So I'm going to just go wash my hair and wear it curly and get my $25 back for that pack of hair. Bye. Whoop. Bye. It is 4 o'clock and I'm about to take a shower and put on my New Year's Eve outfit. Y'all, it's straight chill tonight. Dre gonna roll his eyes when he see me, but guess what? I don't care. All right, y'all, this is my final New Year's Eve look for the evening. I just got out the shower and I washed my hair. This outfit can be purchased from Walmart for $10. So, see you in the living room. All right, y'all, it's about that time. We are gonna go ahead and start cooking our wings. I'm probably gonna have to do like 2 to 3 batches. These are some little pigeon wings, so actually I'm just gonna turn that down. And mind y'all, I like my wings crispy, but these little baby wings. Look at God, y'all. I almost forgot. I bought this like 3 years ago on clearance. Dre told me I ain't need it, but it's been coming in clutch for like 3 years now. Got this whole box for like $2 at Walgreens after New Year's. What you want, Dre? You want gold?
I'll take that one.
Or you want black?
Well, I'll take the black.
We got a couple of these. And if we take care of these tonight, we'll have them for next year too.
Right.
Something popping in here. What you getting ready for the New Year's turn up?
Let's go.
The first batch of babies are done. Got my hot sauce cooking. Second batch going in. As y'all can hear, Dre is turning up all the way. Let's get lit, y'all. Happy New Year. We doing lumpia too. And they keto friendly. What? Who cripping into the new year? Who crip walking into the new year? I'm so blessed to have you for another year.
The world is yours, let's go and explore. The world is yours, let's go and explore. The world is yours, let's go and explore.
Where do we start?
Who else live for the wrap up?
Definitely,
Every year.
at
That
first
shit
I
about to be
wasn't
lit
gonna
this
do it,
year.
bro. Like, I'm gonna be
And talking
honest,
about
I
wrapping it
wasn't
up,
gonna do
we
it.
about to wrap up this
Yeah,
vlog.
because in my mind, I
Anything you
was
wanna
like,
say?
if I don't do it. That's
Y'all,
the
we grew
2020
by
thing that's
about
wrong.
130 subscribers this year, and that might not sound like a lot, but that's a lot. So I just want to say thank you to each and every one of y'all that have subscribed, shared our channel, watched our videos, thumbs upped it. The support is real, y'all. Like, it might seem like slow growth, but watch out for us in 2021. It's about to be a problem.
So when I decided